Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 Infiniti Q50H all-wheel drive. The H stands for hybrid. This one features Infiniti's amazing direct response hybrid system. It's not just a hybrid system to improve gas mileage, but it's also a performance hybrid system offering a combined output of 360 horsepower. Aside from the Red Sport 400 Q50, the Q50 hybrid is actually the second highest performance Q50 with 360 horsepower. This one is nicely equipped with features, leather seating package, leatherette is standard. This one has the upgraded leather, perforated, contrast stitching, wood trim package as well. We have a drive mode selector that makes changes to steering, traction stability control settings, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity. This one features a 7-speed automatic transmission. This transmission features adaptive shift control for better acceleration out of a turn, a corner, or when accelerating up a hill by momentarily holding the current gear. It also has manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back and to the left and you push up to upshift, back to downshift. It provides rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. This one has heated seats. Also has a heated steering wheel. You also notice we have a dual display system. The Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system like this. Top screen is for navigation, parking camera. This does have a 360-degree around view monitor. So with this bird's eye view parking, it's great for tight situations. You can change views. You also have parking sensors. This one has blind spot warning, forward collision warning. Only 29,996 miles. This one is a off-lease vehicle that was turned into our store. And with off-lease vehicles, we have first dibs on buying them, and how could we not pass up the opportunity for this hybrid Q50? 2018 was the last year they offered the hybrid Q50. For the premium, you had to pay for the hybrid system. On the new side, it was a slow seller. They actually sell a lot better on the pre-owned market because of the price point's a lot different on the pre-owned end, and it's actually a really good value compared to naturally aspirated Q50 or a turbo Q50. The hybrid offers great performance and excellent gas mileage. You'll average right around 30 miles per gallon, and it can get up to 33, 34 on the highway. Really nice color combination in black on black. Also, this one features a 19-inch sport wheel package, and it features intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why the all-wheel drive system is intelligent is for a number of different reasons. So the reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it sends 100% of the power to the rear wheels. If the all-wheel drive system's constantly working all the time, it's going to chew through your tires faster. It's also going to reduce your gas mileage. And this is a performance vehicle, so by having that rear-wheel drive bias, it's going to feel like a rear-wheel drive sports car. But this Q50 has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. That really improves your wet weather performance. Obviously, with 360 horsepower and wet conditions like this, you're going to have a hard time putting that 360 horsepower to the ground. The wheels are going to want to spin. The traction control system's going to kick in, and that's going to reduce your performance. But by being able to send 50% of the power to the front wheels, now you have four-wheel traction, and this thing just grips and goes. And you're going to do a lot better in snowy conditions with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive, which is standard on the Q50. Interior space is excellent on the Q50. And the great thing about the hybrid system is with a lot of hybrid sedans, is not a great place to put the battery. So usually on hybrid sedans, the battery ends up somewhere between the trunk and the rear passenger compartment. But since Infiniti uses a lithium-ion battery, it takes up a lot less space and it packs excellent range. While not being a plug-in hybrid, the Q50 can go about a mile just under electric power alone at speeds of 60 miles per hour with the help of a powerful 60 horsepower electric traction motor. A mile might not seem a lot, but that's actually pretty good for a non-plug-in hybrid. And just by being able to shut the engine off for short periods and stop and go traffic, or when you're at stoplights or coasting, that really makes a big difference in improving gas mileage. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. And the heart of the Q50 is the award-winning VQ35 engine, used in lots of Infiniti products. This is a rock-solid engine that I've seen go 200,000-300,000 miles in many Infiniti products. I've been in Infiniti 15 years. They pair that amazing VQ35 engine to a hybrid system, so you have a 300 horsepower V6 with the help of a 60 horsepower electric traction motor, and that gives you that combined output of 360 horsepower. Hybrid Infinitis are becoming increasingly rare. This one local one-owner clean Carfax one of low miles, very well equipped, serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs, is a great find, and it's backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.